This video will be very cool because I'm going to be sharing exactly with you guys how you can be trading on Bybit and open your very first trade. So I'm going to be walking you through the whole process of setting up your account and opening your very first trade. So let's start right away with signing up your account. What you want to be doing is go to the first link in the description right here. It's a link with some deposit reward bonus, and right now Bybit is offering a 30k deposit bonus, so you want to be using the latest link. Maybe it will be a little bit more or a little bit less whenever you are watching this video, so make sure to be using that link. Right now it's 30k. What you want to be doing is create your account using either your email or your mobile number. So now, once you created your account, you want to go to the top right corner to assets and click on your assets overview right here on the 0.00 USD currently. Click on that button and right now you will be redirected to this page. Now you want to be depositing some funds because you want to be trading with some funds right here. In the derivatives section, you want to be clicking on the deposit button. Then next up, you want to be clicking next and right here select the derivatives section right here. Also make sure you are depositing Bitcoin right here. You can be also choosing many other coins like USDT, Ethereum and many more. And if you want to be depositing some funds using fiat, you can be clicking on this button right here and you can be depositing some funds using fiat. So once you have deposited your funds, I have right now deposited 0.2 BTC. You want to be going to the top right here to derivatives and you want to be going to inverse contracts and you want to be trading the Bitcoin USD contract. So in the middle right here, you can be seeing the order book. Now this is not a very important thing you want to be noticing whenever you are a beginner. But yes, right here at the bottom, you can be seeing your position. Whenever we will be opening a position, yes, it will appear at this section right here down below. So you want to be having a look into that. On the top left side right here, we are having the Bitcoin chart. And of course, you want to be doing your analysis on an app called TradingView. But right here, it's nice to have a chart on the Bybit website. Now, the most important thing is that on the right corner right here, you can be opening your position. If we take out this calculator and let's say we open a position with 10x leverage and we have a quantity size of 1000 and our entry price will be, let's say at right now, 23k US dollar Bitcoin, and let's say we make a profit and we will be closing our position at 25k. Then we will be making this 80% profit. Now, if we do the opposite and Bitcoin would go to 21k instead of to 25k, our ROI will be minus 95%. So this is a very, very quick example of using leverage. And you want to be using it as a tool to be helping you and leverage on the quick moves that Bitcoin creates to create some big profits. So on the right side, this is where you can be building your position. Right here at the top right, we can be selecting isolated, which for the beginners out there, I would suggest leaving it into isolated right here. But you can be changing your leverage right here. It's currently at 7x, but you can be moving it up or down. And for a beginner, I would suggest to be using 10x leverage or 5x leverage, but just know that the higher the leverage, the more risk you are taking and also the higher profits you can be yielding. So let's say for this example, I'm going to be using 5x leverage and we want to be opening a limit order, which means that whenever the Bitcoin price will hit that level, we are going to be opening our position. So let's say whenever Bitcoin will reach 23.5k, I'm going to be entering my position. I will select 100% order quantity, so I'll be using my whole account, which is not suggested, but just for this example I will show you guys, and then I'm gonna buy long. So as you can see on the chart, it opened right now this position. Whenever Bitcoin is going to reach this target, it's going to be opening my position, and if we would see this move up, I'm going to be in profit. Now for the sake of this tutorial video, let's close this limit order right here, and we can do this at absolutely no cost. Now we are going to be opening a market order with 100% of our account as well, and we are going to be buying long. And what this market order means is that it's going to be entering our trade immediately. So if we're going to be entering it right now, right here, we have entered our position, and you can see on the bottom corner right here, our unrealized P&L, which basically means that if we were to close our position, what will be the profit or the loss. And also we have the realized P&L, and right now we have a minus 14 realized P&L because we have just opened our position, and we have to pay some fees right here whenever we open our position. Right here you can see our position margin. Right here it's saying indeed that we have opened our position with 0.2 BTC, and that is currently approximately 4.7k. Our liquidation price will be 19.7k, which means that whenever the Bitcoin price will be going all the way down to 19.7k, our trade will be wiped out, and all our money that has been put into this position is gone. So you want to be making sure that this liquidation price will absolutely not be touched, because otherwise your money is gone. Now you also have some data showing like the entry price 23.5k. So that's basically how you enter your trade. It's very simple, guys. Now let's say I'm right now in a very small $7 loss, but let's say if we were in a few $100 profit right here, and we want to be exiting our trade, we can be doing so with either the limit option or the market option. And this is once again the exact same like we showed you before. So whenever we are using the limit option, we can be selecting our closing price, and let's say we will be closing this position at 25k. It will be saying that we have made 0.05539 BTC, which is right now equivalent to about $1,300, which is pretty nice. Now, if you want to be closing the trade right now, which I will also be doing, you want to be clicking on the market button, and this will right now be closing your position immediately using the market option. And right here we have closed our position. So that's basically how you can be entering your trade, and also how you can be closing your trade, which is basically very, very simple, guys. And guys, this was it for me for today. I'll see you at another video. Bye, guys.